Hi, welcome and thank you for visiting my channel. On this video, I am going to share to you a beautiful gift from my son and his fiancée during Mother's Day. I didn't have time to do this video because I was busy, of course, as always. But now I'm going to reveal to you what's inside the gift. But before I'll start, if you are new to my channel, why don't you join me by subscribing and click that notification bell button so you will always be updated if I have a new video. And of course, for my few subscribers, thank you so much for always watching and for your love and support. By the way, my name is Myrtle and I am your friend who loves little luxuries. Of course, I am going to share to you now this box. Yes, this is a box from Dior. So this is my Mother's Day gift from my son. Just a little bit of a background. My son flew in from Canberra together with his partner and handed me this gift for Mother's Day. I posted this one on my Facebook stories and some of my friends commented and guessed what was inside. Let's open together what's inside the box. I know some of you already have a hint. And let's do the unboxing.
So hard.
It's a perfume and it is the Miss Dior Eau de Perfume from Dior. Let's open it. It's so cute. So this is the bottle. It's so cute because it has a little bow here, a metallic bow, and let's smell it. It's nice. It's kinda, the smell is kinda fresh. Smells fresh. Smells, I don't know. It smells really, really nice. It's hard to explain. It smells fresh. That's all I can say. It's beautiful. This is Miss Dior Eau de Parfum from Dior. Since we've opened my gift for Mother's Day and it's perfume, why don't we open some of my perfumes? Actually, these perfumes are not new. I didn't buy them yesterday or the other day, but I bought them a few months ago, but I haven't had a chance to open them. I want to share to you 4 of my perfumes here that has been sitting in my cabinets. First, let's start with this beauty here from Estee Lauder. I don't know if I pronounce it right. From Estee Lauder. And this is the Modern Muse Le Rouge. And let's open it. Oh, so this is the bottle. You don't have to remove the cap, but instead you just have to push this button here if you want to spray the perfume. So let's try and spray. It has a very intense smell. It is very overpowering. This smell is ideal for when you go for a dinner or a big event, a party. So I think this is good. Okay, next is another perfume from Estee Lauder, which is the Cinnabar. It's another eau de parfum. Let's open. The Modern Muse box was in red, and this time the box is in gold color. And this is the bottle. So this is cinnabar. Let's smell it. Okay, this time we'll spray on the other hand. All right. The smell is a bit spicy. There's some spiciness in it. It's different. It's a different smell, but it has some spiciness in it. Interesting. And then, of course, we have another one, which is from Clinique. Clinique Happy. It's another eau de parfum in orange box this time. So we've had red box, gold box. The Miss Dior has like a pink or light pink box. And this Clinique Happy is in orange box. So let's open it. I haven't really opened all these perfumes. So this is the first time I'm going to open them. And I'm going to smell them as well. So let's see. It has a tall bottle. And this is the Clinique Happy. It's another eau de parfum. And let's smell if it's really happy smell. Yeah. Yes. It's like a bit citrusy. I don't know. With all of these smells that I'm smelling, with all these scents that are in front of me, it's a little bit, it's like there's a hint of citrus, like it's citrusy smell. And it's happy smell. Very nice. So this is Clinique Happy. And the last one is the Idole, I don't know how do you pronounce this, from Lancome. So it's another eau de parfum, Idole Le Parfum from Lancome. So let's open this one also. It is like in a gold old rose color box. Goodness. All right, here comes the bottle. It is only in 25 ml, so it's very small. And this is very interesting bottle. I know this is the thinnest perfume bottle in the world. So this is how thin it is. So this is the Idole. I don't know how do you pronounce that one. Le Parfum from Lancome. So this is very thin. So let's smell. Where is it? Oh, here. This is another fresh smell. It's not very overpowering. It's very subtle. I like it. So this is from Lancome, Idole La Perfume. So guys, these are the perfumes that I have on this video. I have unboxed the gift from my son from Dior, Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. And then we opened also some of my perfumes that has been sitting in my cabinet that has been purchased long time ago, but I haven't had a chance to open them and smell them. And we had the Mother Muse Le Rouge from Estée Lauder, another one from Estée Lauder, which is the Cinnabar, another Eau de Parfum. And of course, we also have the Happy from Clinique, or the Clinique Happy. And the last but not the least is the Idole La Perfume by Lancome. So I hope guys you like this video. I know I'm not, just a disclaimer, I'm not a perfume expert. I just love different scents. I just love different smell. I just love different perfumes, and I love different designs of the bottles as well. It makes me happy. It makes me feel fresh. It makes me feel beautiful. It makes me feel fresh. If you like this video, if you have anything to say, if you have any of this perfume, why don't you comment down below and share with me your experiences with these perfumes. And of course, thank you so much again for watching my video. I'll see you again on my next vlog. Thank you again for visiting. Always remember to always be positive in life, but negative with COVID. Stay safe, beautiful people, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.